Greetings, it's me. My name is Jamal here. Today's do a commentary on. Get up. Today I'll do a commentary on Julia. Just do a commentary on my friend Chad. If you did the thinking, who is the NFL player? It's Kyler Murray. Well, guys, because he's my favorite quarterback. Anyways, like I said, today I'll do a commentary on Julia. To do a commentary on my friend Chad. Now, I did the thinking the well is this commentary is suck as hell. Why? Because this proves she's not here. No, he do a commentary on my friend Chad. Anyways,
Hello everyone, this is Julia here, and today I'm going to do a commentary on Chad the Christmas Guy 2K10's rant on me. This rant is gonna suck.
nope. I not to use the correction term because that counts as a bad opinions. But yes, this brands be rocking my opinion sometimes.
Why? Because he has invalid reasons to hate me. But anyways, let's get...
Dude, the reason why because you suck because the reason why you need to stop swearing. And also, you're too young watching YouTube. You're only 10 years old. And also, I how did the stupid commentary and your commentary it sucks as hell.
Get started.
Hey guys, it's Chad here, and I have another rant to share, and this rant will be on Julia Animations 2K12. But if you like her, then opinion handled. But let's continue. Julia Animations 2K12. Oh my god, this user sucks.
How do I suck?
Well, here's for the example. Well, in my opinion, because you suck, because you need to stop swearing, because you're only 10 years old. Only 10 years old cannot watch YouTube. Only 13-year-old watching YouTube. Because you're too young watching YouTube. And go watch a YouTube kid. You take my friend Chad Wade this seriously. Prove it that you're cyberbully you are.
Can you explain why?
Well, oh my god, this user sucks. I'll tell you why I despise her. One, she is a Green Pangas Team 2009 fam brat.
I'm not a Green Pingus Team 2009 fan brat. All
Well, you are the Green Pink Casino 2009 fangirl. You support that user. But note, I still like Green Pink Casino 2009. And chat, if you're watching this, on the Kindle your opinion, you hate Green Pink Casino 2009. He's a cool user. But I'm not bash your opinion. But I find your opinion, you hate that user.
and also Green Pingus Team 2009 take base is getting toxic.
2009 fam brat. A fangirl. Because whatever someone makes a rant on him, she rather does a commentary on it. Two. Whenever someone makes a community post of people saying like you're supposed to be hate him, and then she'll say no share on. She'll say no share. Like,
Bruh, the reason why I put a community post that said is no shirt, it's because Green Pink is in 2009's hate base.
Motherfucker, do you speak English, motherfucker? Do you speak?
Hate base is getting
share it anyway, but you have no reason to share it. Four. She also sent a death threat.
Bruh, I did not say that a death threat.
Well, yes, you did, because you sent a death threat about my friend, a death threats and more, proving that you're very disrespectful. If you do that, you're definitely are going to jail for doing that.
She she also sent a death threat. One example that she also told me to die in a plane crash. Like, seriously. You should know sending death threats is wrong, and she even once sent a death threat to Adam. Like, seriously. You should know sending death threats is wrong. 5. She takes me way too seriously. Like,
Bruh, I was trying to get you constructive criticism.
Liar, liar, pants on fire. That is a lie. So do not deny it. So do not lie to me, bro. Oh yeah, one more thing. This is for Chris Jericho from WWE for you, Julia. This is for you.
Please shut the hell up!
Trying to get you constructive criticism purposes only.
5. She takes me way too seriously. Like, seriously, can you just ignore me and move on from me? 8. He, she, she joked about 9/11. What example?
Bruh, I stopped joking about.
Bro, seriously, Julia, do not deny it. Stop lying. Also, this is for message from Seth Rollins.
What did I tell you, liar? Liar!
Bruh, I stopped joking about. It says a happy 9/11. That's so. I deleted from this from September 11th and I put a late message, which is eh, which is a happy 9/11.
Dude, speak English. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're thinking, but I don't know how to say that part.
And never forget 9/11. That's why I private the video.
She, 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 she joked about 9/11. What example that she said happy 9/11 and not happy 9/11? Like, seriously, you should know joking around 9/11 is wrong. 9. She, she, she also swears.
Bruh, I can swear whatever I want.
Dude, no, you fucking don't. No, you fucking don't. Because you're only 10 years old. You can't stop. Dude, you cannot swearing. Because 10 years old is not swearing. Only 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, and 19, 20 do swearing. Not 10-year-old. You need to stop swearing and just for your Roma child. Dude, you're not a fucking grown woman. Because besides, only 18 in real life. So shut the hell up, Julia. Do not deny it.
Swears.
Bruh, I can swear whatever I want to, fucking faggot.
Homophobic munch? Am I right? Disprove you homophobic. Stop using the G word and disprove and use the F word. Disprove you homophobic. Anyways, moving on.
She, she, she also swears. Old enough. And 11, she, she's too young to be on YouTube. She has to be.
Bruh, I'm not too young to YouTube. It's it's 8 and 9 and 10. I can be on YouTube.
Dude, no, you can't. Oh, not in 10 and 8 year old is not going to YouTube. According to my friend, the username is a march of marbles, and I totally agree because according to Google, you have to be at least a 13-year-old watching YouTube. Only YouTube kids.
At least 14 to be on YouTube. Like seriously, you're just too young from YouTube. End of rant.
Well, thank God this rant is over. Man, that rant sucked.
Nope, like I said, I'm not in the that is not a bad opinion. Yes, this rant is awesome because she answered the valid reason why she sucks. Anyways, move on to commentary.
Why? Because he gave out invalid reasons to hate me. But anyways, see you later.
Well, I just said the end of the commentary right there. Well, thank God the commentary is over. Jesus Christ, I'm finally is over right there. Man, that commentary it sucks as hell. Why? Because she inserted the valid reason why she hates my friend Chad. And Julia, if you watching this, don't you dare do a commentary on me. If you do, I would do a commentary on you. Because the spirit you not handle, he do a commentary. Understand? And don't you think about it, you apologize to everyone. You apologize be denied. Anyways, that's clearly the video. It ain't any the question. Let me know in the comments. This is me, Jamal Adams J2K4, signing off.